Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Silent. Today we are diving into X Money on Twitter. I will share all the detail, what it is, how it works, whether you can trust it, and whether it's the worth of your time. If you have seen post about X Money and wondered that is this safe, so this video is for you. Let's get into it. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So this video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice. So X Money, I will share with you that it is their Twitter account that post about that you can see about X Money, and their details is given for what I can see. Their contact includes about that you can see the ownership of the contract has been abandoned. You can see that the LP already burned hash. Their contract address is given X layer into X Money. You can see their details, X Money details about show up here. They have given here the contract as OKX, and you can see potato swap live. You can see all that details. X Money is given their contract address. They have keep building block by block LP burn here. So their details given. Their website is under production, so you can see it. Furthermore, I will give that when it will be ready. I will give that in my video description. You can see their details, and you can see their official Twitter. You can go and join them on their official Telegram. But before that, you can see X Money is going to moon. You can see it here. It is also listed on the Dex view. You can see that their Dex view is given. You can see their price, which is 0.00377. You can see its price was above, but at that time it is low, so it is the opportunity for you all to go and get it at that price, and it will be high. You can see it is high 77.7% from the last 24 hours. You can see their volume, which is 427.1k is given here. Their buy volume and sell, you can see they have the Dex view score, which is 50 out of 99. You can see their details. Their transaction is going on. You can see the that on here. So it is also on Dex view and also on the potato swap. So I share with you about that, but do your own research before investing in it. You can see you can even buy with OKB, or even you can go and buy with the USDT. You have to add the amount that how much you want. If I wanted by 1 USDT, you will get 262.284 X Money, and you can see the price. If you want to buy it with 100 USDT, you can see with $100 you can get 26,139 X Money here. So you have to just connect your wallet. For connecting wallet, you have to click on the MetaMask. You have to give your passwords, and you can go and connect it here. So in that way you can go and be a part of their swap, and you can get it here before their website. You can go and buy it. Their price is going on above and above. You can see it is given here 24 or changed to 78.5. I shared with you a few seconds ago it was 77, but now it is 78.5. It's going above and below. You can go and get it here at the price low, and you can sell it in the higher price. It is an opportunity for you, but do your own research. Their Twitter is given. You can go and see their Twitter, their price, their details, their contract as there's all the detail about them is given on the Twitter and also on the Telegram. You can join it and be a part of their team, and you can get more on it too. So I share all the details here. So if you like the video, give thumbs up, and also share your thoughts in the comment area. Thank you so much for watching.